The thing that was on my heart this morning was telling people it's not about what you make, it's about what you keep. So YouTube and the world and Facebook, they're trying to make everything Lamborghinis. And then there's a particular Facebook account, I won't call them out, all about the Lamborghinis, same person that blew a lot of people's money. And there's the next day, completely nonchalant, like, and still pitching their same system. Needless to say, it's not about a Lamborghini. It's about what you keep. So if you can go make, some of these people are spending $50,000 on stupid challenges, excuse my French, but $50,000 is a lot of money if you're using it right. You don't need to go make another 50,000 if you learn how to use the first 50. Learn how to use the first 50,000, and then you won't need to go trade as aggressively. You won't need to make the same decisions you keep making and mismaking over and over and over again. It's completely crazy. It's about what you keep, you guys. It's not about the Lamborghini. If you want the belt or the Lamborghini, cool, do it. Maybe when the kids are no longer scratching up cars and stuff, maybe I'll buy my dream car, which is definitely not a Lamborghini. I actually already bought my dream car once and I returned it because I had kids and I lived in the country at the time. I couldn't even get up my driveway because it was a dirt driveway. To give you guys an idea, it's not about that stuff. None of that stuff at the end of the day matters. Build a life that you guys can afford. And Scott says it better. He says, what's your monthly nut? Take that whole monthly amount, limit that as much as humanly possible. And then you can go get your Rolex, right? After you've hit whatever your goals are. But first, make sure you're tight. Make sure you've got your year.